We're particularly talking about the Dollar Unit Trust Fund, which is the Old Mutual Dollar Fund that was launched, I think it must have been on the 21st of September last year. And we've seen quite commendable growth in terms of, first of all, uptake, because it was the first of its kind, a purely dollar unit trust fund, first of its kind in this country. And also, given the fact that we don't have so many dollar assets within the country, and perhaps maybe that's why it took a while to launch. But in terms of uptake, we've seen, I think, commendable progress on the fund, because since inception, which was September, we've seen a growth of close to, I think, coming close to $20 million. We're probably lingering around $18 million or so. And I still think there is a lot more potential in this fund. And basically what the fund does is it provides an investment option for people who want to get exposure, or who want to invest in a hard currency. And in this case, the hard currency is the US dollar. The investor still has the flexibility, in the sense that whenever he wants the money, he can come for it, or he can withdraw it at any point in time. And simultaneously also they can add money from time to time. So the fund has been structured in such a way that for a minimum or an initial of $1,000 and a top-up of even as low as $100, an investor, whether an individual, an institution, a company, SME, even a small business, can be able to invest and get access to this fund. So minimum investment when someone is starting off is about $1,000, and they can make top-ups of at least $100 from time to time, and then be able to get these benefits with investing in hard currency and at a decent rate of return. By the way, the fund has also been returning quite strong from an investment performance point of view. I think since launching it, we've been above 5%. At a certain time when we had just launched, interest rates in the US were high, so we're able to get some good instruments based on that high pricing of dollar assets. And we've benefited of that. We know that the fund will continue performing even better, because we have a very strong investment process, a sound investment team, and we are also cognizant of the risks that come with investing within the global scene and the global environment. So it's quite critical that we do our research very well and are able to source some of these investments timely, and enter them, execute, and then be able to give a very good return. And that's a bit of what